Hello viewers, welcome to Sweta's Kitchen. Today I am making an Andhra special dish Pesarattu Upma with ginger chutney. We all see that there are three elements on this plate. So first let's move on with our first element, Upma. To make this Upma, the ingredients we need are half cup of suji, chopped vegetables. Today I have used tomato, cabbage and carrot, chopped ginger, green chili and red chili, cashew nuts, chana dal, urad dal and mustard seeds, hing and curry leaves. Now let's make upma. Heat oil in a pan and add ginger, green chili, red chili, curry leaves and then add urad dal, chana dal and mustard seeds. Saute them for a couple of minutes and then add the cashew nuts also. So once we add the cashew nuts, saute them nicely until dals become slightly brown color. Then add hing to the pan, as hing gives nice flavor or aroma to this dish. Then add chopped vegetables. Along with the vegetables, it's better to add some salt because after adding salt, it leaves some natural water from the vegetables, especially from tomato, so that the vegetables can be cooked nicely. So just close it with the lid and let them cook. Once we see that they are cooked nicely soft, just add 2 cups of water. Add water and also if needed add some salt and then close it with the lid. As we close the lid, the water will be in the boiling stage. Once we see that the water is boiling, open the lid, mix little bit and now add suji to the pan while mixing continuously so that it will not form any lumps. At the end, add a tablespoon of ghee and just turn off the stove. Finally, our upma is ready. Now move on to second element, pesarattu. To make pesarattu, we need moong beans, that is green gram 1 cup, ginger, rice flour of half cup, salt as per taste. Just soak the moong beans overnight and then just transfer them to a blender and blend into smooth paste along with ginger and green chili. Now transfer it to a bowl, add the rice flour and salt. After this, just mix it nicely without any lumps to make the pesarattu batter. Once we see that the batter is ready, check the salt also. And now let's make dosas. Heat a tawa, take a ladle full of batter and spread it nicely just as we do dosas, but not as thin as regular dosas, little bit thicker than that. And you can top it with chopped onions, but today I have topped with chopped green chili and ginger. And after that, just add 1 tablespoon of ghee or oil as per your taste and let it roast nicely until it turns to the slight brown color or crispy. So our pesarattu is ready. Now move on to third element, ginger chutney. The ingredients are chana dal, urad dal, red chili, green chili, ginger, salt, jaggery powder, mustard seeds, curry leaves and tamarind paste. Now let's make our ginger chutney. Add ghee in a pan. Take 3 tablespoons of chana dal, 2 tablespoons of urad dal, roast them nicely until they turn slightly brown color so that they give nice aroma, and then add ginger, green chili and also the red chili. Keep roasting them until the ginger is cooked nicely. Then let it cool down and blend into a smooth paste by adding required amount of water, tamarind and jaggery. Also add salt. So finally our ginger chutney is also ready. All 3 elements are ready by this time. So all set to enjoy these dishes together. So our pesarattu upma with ginger chutney is ready. Enjoy it and thank you for watching. Hope you liked my recipes. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe for more. Thank you again.